You know, every community needs an economy, it needs infrastructure, and needs a good environment. And when you compromise these things properly, you get the best benefit for everybody. We have the right kind of partners here that understand the need of those three things for the community's health and well-being.
This place matters, and every day it gets a little more expensive and a little more difficult to save. We're getting pinched by population growth and sea level rise, coastal erosion, and every day it becomes more important that we save it for the people. Now is the time, and this is the place to take a stand and make a difference for ducks and for people in coastal Louisiana.